I just received this RJ45 Ethernet crimper and my cable, the clip is missing. So in this video I'm going to try to replace the adapter. The crimper is pretty heavy and feels very good in hand, and here made of the metal. The metal is very thick, so that's heavy, and here are the plastic and here are the rubber, so it's really comfortable. Grab it, it won't slip. Press in and push, it will be a lock. I'm going to cut cable first. Alright, and then put it here to cut the skin. And the skin is very easy to cut off. We're gonna arrange the cables. I should put this one in first. Right. Alright, it's been going through, and put it one and push this one right through it. You see all the wires coming out, and then I'm going to push to cut the wire off. Alright, the cutting is super clean, and then I'm going to try to do the test. And here I need a 12 volts battery. It doesn't include it into the package. I'm going to put a battery in and let's test it. And then using this tool, you know exactly you're doing right. This is my first time trying to fix the Ethernet cable using this RJ45 tool. I like this tool, it's very simple to operate. The menu is very clear. And after that, you can test it. And also, it comes with these connectors. You don't need to buy something else. Alright, hopefully this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.